to Dimension Trader. This is John T. This channel is to help the trader like you to improve your trading skill in 7 days. Subscribe, like, and share if you learned something today. Let's begin. After today's scan, we do not have any new pick, but we are going to go over our day 2's training. Identify your trading style. Are you a reversal trader or are you a continuation trader? So before we go any further, we need to understand where is the price set up for a reversal and where is the price set up for continuation. Let's come back to our price cycle chart. So when there's a top and there is a bottom, when pricing breaking the top, pricing will continue going to making the low. After pricing breaking the bottom, it will continue and then making the bounce from the resistance. If the bounce cannot go up, it eventually will go down right here. So this is going to be our dimension 1, dimension 2, which is going to be on the middle of the continuation area, and the dimension 3 is going to be our bottom. Dimension 4 is going to be our first reversal, and dimension 5, of course, is going to be our second reversal or continuation going down. So these charts make a complete cycle of the pricing. So yesterday we have identified what kind of the trading type you are. Are you the long-term trader, mid-term, or short-term, even scalping? How long can you hold the position, and how many risks are you willing to take? That is yesterday's training. And today we're going to identify, are you a reversal trader for dimension 4 and dimension 5? Or are you a trend continuation trader, which is dimension 2, in the middle when pricing heading to the resistance or support or even the top area? Okay, so we are going to use an example today. The pick we did from yesterday is IONQ. Yesterday we picked this pair. The pricing is creating the bottom, and on the higher time frame, which is 1 hour or 4 hour, we have the top. So when there's a top, there's a resistance up here, and where is the bottom right here, there's a support. The pricing breaking our bottom and retest once and twice. This is where we pick up our hammers right here for the 30-minute and the 1 hour. This is a hammer that we picking up for our entry and the ticket from last night. Today, if you are a scalping trader or short-term trader, you will have the very fast trading experience on this ticket. Pricing opened up around 873, where the market start, and right after a couple minutes, pricing shoot up to 122 with our pricing 2 target. If you move in the stop back to the entry, when it's hit the pricing target 1, then you move up again to your target 1. When pricing move up 2, pricing come back and stop you out, you will have 1-to-1 risk and reward on this pair. So this is a very fast trade that we saw today with the 1-to-1 entries, where we have our continuation, which is not even hitting our resistance on this top yet. So the trend could continue going up with the new rejection on the support area, where is the bottom we create right here, where is also the dimension 2, the retesting zone. Okay, so today we need to understand is your trading style. Are you a continuation trader or are you a reversal trader? If you are a continuation trader, this pair you enter at the retesting of the support, which is the A73, then you will have the very short trade with 1-to-1 if the risk managed properly. If you are a reversal trader on this pair, we have the bottom right here and we have retesting, then your expecting trade will be up here for the bouncing reversal for the short. Where is the call or put whatever it calls for the short position on here? Then you are expecting pricing drop back to where the support is down here. So this is a reversal trading style. And today, this pair in the morning, this is the continuation trading style. So which style are you? And how long can you hold this position? How many risks are you willing to take? 1% of your funding capital or 0.5% of your funding capital? By calculating with the 1%, $1,000, 1% will be $10. Excuse me. And with the $8.48, you're probably holding one share for this stock. So 1% of the $1,000, $10, you're holding one share, and you risk only half day. Then you reach your 1-to-1 target as the continuation trader. So this is a very good short-term continuation trading strategy. Whatever you have the indicator that's corresponding to this continuation is going to be helpful for your confirmation. Where are you trading along the way you are trading on your plan, your strategy. So our key here is to help you to build your own strategy, your trading plan, your blueprint. And these have to be come down to identify your trading style and the trading type. So take your time to go over with the information we go over today and figure out what kind of the trading style are you at and what kind of trading type are you before you can move forward with all the strategy and all the information you learn, put everything together into your own use. Okay, that's pretty much about today. If you learn one thing or two today, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and don't miss so you won't miss any of our future updates videos. We'll come back to tomorrow's news pick and a new analyze and new training lesson for day 3. Goodbye.